Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by taking the left door and moving fast. Speed reduces enemy spawn pressure and secures the loot room. Prioritize the shotgun and 2 health packs because they let you trade hits at close range. You will need that in tight corridors. Once you clear the first 3 enemies within 10 seconds, set the central staircase as your main route and place covering fire into the atrium. That prevents flank attacks and lets you funnel opponents into predictable kill zones. Once you hold the staircase top, use the half shelves as instant cover and deny grenades by peeking briefly. That control forces enemies into narrow approach lanes. Make deliberate 30-second rotations to inspect the left corridor, right balcony, and lower pit so you catch respawns before they overwhelm you. Conserve resources by switching. Use the pistol on lone targets and the shotgun on grouped threats, keeping about 30% ammo in reserve. This balance maintains pressure while ensuring you never run dry in a firefight. For the final push, synchronize a smoke or flash to block sight lines and move as a unit through the atrium so you don't get picked off one by one. Clear the exit room last. Sweep clockwise, check ceiling vents for ambushes, and grab keys quickly so you can extract without delay. If things go wrong and you become overwhelmed, fall back to the staircase, apply healing, and re-establish the choke point. That retreat buys time to reset and forces enemies into predictable angles where you can retake control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.